Hi, I'm Roy Southby from DIYTilingTools.com, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to lay a floor in a pool using the Ultraspreader. Now if there's any pool tilers out there, you're going to want to buy one of these. I'll show you. Put it down there. I've got it to the size of a sheet of tile, and the glue, as you'll see, is in pourable situation like that. I can just pour some in, won't overdo it, make sure the corners are filled, and then just drag it through. Now as I'm laying these, I usually rub my hand over them, that way I see if there's anything sticking up or not. And not a lot of pressure I give, but I'll show you. You can have a look at see the coverage that we will get. Can you see that? Pretty good. There's no need to beat them to death. Lay the tiles like normal. So the system I use is we start in the middle and we flick a chalk line from one tile up to the tile at the top, and then we run rows at a time. Just a single row, you don't need to lay 2 or 3 at a time, you have to reach over. Lay a single row at a time and just go up and down the pool until you get to, like over there you'll see, that's as close as I'm laying to the cove. Because of the angle of the cove, we won't be able to use the spreader because it requires a flat surface. And from there on, I will place out dry tiles onto the wall from the floor and mark the wall, cut the tiles off, throw them away, and then I'll be able to fit full tiles through there, but I have to use a notch trowel for that. Anyway, I'll keep going. And you see how easy it is. It's obviously, as you can see here, I'll go back here. You don't have to pour it, you can still pour, but if you wanted to, you could just scoop it out. Just like that. And then you again. Okay, now as you'll notice, there's no excess glue to clean up. I have got a little bit there which I made a bit of extra mess there, only because there was maybe a bit too much glue spread there. But apart from that, that's exactly how you do it, and we just keep going row after row. Okay, now it's the next day, and as I said, we grouted the floor, and now I'm going to mark and cut the walls. This is how we finish off. And so I've established, you see first of all that I've come down on the walls further than what we need to be, because that's going to get cut off now in a nice straight line to suit tiles. What I've done, I've established that it's going to be a sheet and a strip of 3 to go in here. So if I lay that down like that, I can then mark the wall there like so. I use 2 lots, makes it easier for marking. And then as you can see, like that, then I'll transfer these to here. Do it again. One more time. Okay, now I'll do this all the way along the wall, and once I've done that, I'll cut. Okay, now I'm ready to cut the wall. Always wear glasses when you're cutting. You don't want to take any chances with your eyes. And okay, as you can see, I've cut the walls and I've gone right through. A lot of dust. That won't worry us. Now what I've got to do now is remove the bottom tiles, the ones underneath the cut, and put them in with full tiles. They're very hard to get off. Next thing we do is cut the wall right the way through. Obviously there's a lot of mess and dust. We'll clean this all up. And while I'm doing this, I just want to mention to you that what we do is I like to have the wall grouted before we mark and cut, because it gives a much better job. You get a much more even line. And like I say, yesterday I did the floor. While I was tiling the floor, my upsider Harry was grouting all the walls. So anyway, okay, in case anybody is interested, the glues we've been using, Cambridge Super, we use for the walls. Now we put an additive of 1 litre of Chemcrete in with the Cambridge Super just to make sure it's so special. On the floor we've used the Ardex Quick Bond because it's a very quick setting glue, therefore we can lay the floor and grout it the same day. In case it was to rain, we've got no more problems. And the grout we've used today is the Misty Grey Ardex again. Okay, so there's our product. Okay, now I've given it a sweep up, picked up all the pieces. Now what I do, I just give it a blow just to make sure there is no dust on the floor, because glue doesn't stick to dust very well. Yeah. really because of the curve. So we have to use our notch drive.
I guess in that whole conversation, as Nick said, there's plenty going on, and sometimes
And we'll carry that on right the way through. Okay, there you have it. We finished. It's all been grouted. And don't forget, if you need to buy one, and you might like one, come to DIYtilingtools.com. That's it. Thank you for watching.